Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to switch on your microphone when you're doing screen recording on Kali Linux. By default, when you start recording, your videos are not going to have any sound. So that simply means you have to set up Kali Linux you have to tell Kali Linux to do what? To give you that on the sound. So we're gonna do two setups, one for the software itself and one for the laptop software Kali Linux. So for the laptop operating system, which is Kali Linux. So Kali Linux comes with this default screen recorder, which is perfect for anything you want to do. So I'm using this, but I find out like the first time I was using it, like it did not have any sound whenever I record. So the images are there, everything's fine, but now when you play the video, there won't be any sound. So it needs you to set it up. I'm gonna record a video, the first video, to show you, and you're gonna hear there won't be any sound. Record, say record, it comes here and records. So that video, I want it to be like at least 1 minute to start understand what is going on here. So I'm recording just this second screen. I can go to Google if I want to. Let me go to Google, use Google Chrome. I'm opening Google Chrome this side. By the way, if you want to use Google Chrome in Kali Linux, you have to create a new account to have two accounts. So the first account cannot allow you to do that, so you have to use the second account. You can go to Gmail, you can do whatever you want to do. So here we're just testing. So after recording, you can see that it's on a 41. After recording this, when we're going to see that no, we have to use the sound setup. So here you can do whatever you want to do in Kali, because we're recording this screen. So after that, then it's gonna show us the sound. So anyway, I'm gonna stop this. You click here and then you stop. After stopping, you're gonna see that there won't be no sound. We're going to videos because it saves its videos in videos. So this is the first video, so I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna play the sound. You can see I'm gonna play it here. I'm playing, and you can see, let me put the sound. You see there's no sound. The sound is up, and when you go to laptop, the sound also is up. The video is playing. You can see it's moving. You can see we went to Google Chrome before, remember, but nothing is going on. So simply means there is no sound, and we have to fix that so that we can record a professional video. So people on YouTube, when they watch your video, when the video is it doesn't have sound, it sometimes annoys them because they can't understand well when you're not talking. So that's the thing. So there are people who can't see well, but if you at least say something, it can help them to understand. So okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to so let me take out this video, close it. Okay, after closing it, then we're gonna delete this video. We don't want it to confuse us. Okay, then after deleting that video, then we're gonna leave this folder open, because when we're recording, it's gonna come here straightly. So now what you do, you go to this, and so you can see it says no source, audio source. You click here, you say no audio source, default audio. Okay, we select the default audio. Then let's try to record and see. I'm recording. I'm gonna record this. Okay, I'm recording. Another count, you can see. Okay, free, whatever you want to do. I'm just testing here, so we should hear the sound. If we don't hear the sound, then we're gonna go to another setup. Okay, so after that, I won't wait for 1 minute. I'm gonna just stop here. It's enough to hear what we're saying. You can see the video is already there, you can see, but once we stop, then it's gonna build up. So I'm gonna stop right now. Okay, stop. I stopped it. It's building, it's building, it's building. You're gonna see it. It's in MP4 format. Also, how to change to MP4 format, we have that video. Okay, the video is done, so I'm gonna play it to here. I'm putting the sound up, but still there's nothing here. You see here there's no sound. Okay, is that done? Still not done, so we're gonna delete it. We do the second move, move to trash. Second move, you go here and go to settings. When you're in settings, you can go to background, whatever, sharing sound. When you click on sound, you can now look into things like output. That is the output system sound. Let it be up for now. Output device, we test the device. Should say something. Okay, I'm gonna put in the port. I'm gonna put in the speakers and see if the speakers can work. Okay, I put in the speakers already. Let's see. Let me close it. Maybe it's gonna recognize it after. Or we go to YouTube, and we look for, what are we gonna look for? We're gonna look for Azania tutorials. Okay, once you see Azania tutorials, this is the latest video. It should play. Just rolling. Wow, this is something happened. Reload. Something happened still. Okay, no stress. We can find something always to play. Okay, this should test. Okay, let me see. Volume. Volume is up, but I wonder why. It should say volume, it should say up, right, front, all that. Okay, no stress. We're gonna have, since we select the source here, source, we select audio device, we selected what this okay, we leave the sound alone. We're gonna get our voices into another recording, escape, webcam file. Okay, we'll leave that, so we can always do this. I'm going to record now. Remember, from no sound I put it on default. I'm going now to record, and I'm going to transfer that file. I'm going to transfer that file to another account to hear if I can hear that. So hello, I'm recording now, and I want to transfer that small file into what I want to start transfer. Now it's just starting to record now, you can see. So I'm going to transfer this information to another account on my computer. Then I see if it's gonna work. Then that's the way you set it up. So but let me see here. I'm gonna stop this file, leave this account. The second account, there is no sound, no stress, but microphone should work. So I'm gonna go to this file, and I send it to copy to my memory stick. I'm gonna copy it to this memory stick, that memory stick, this one. Though okay, it's gonna say here. Okay. Then I copy it there. So after copying it there, no, it did copy it into this copy. I'm gonna say okay. Destinations. Okay, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna get this video. Okay, copy to. It doesn't want to select the stick. I wonder why. I'll take it out, put it back. Cancel here, and copy this, paste it in there, paste it here. After pasting that, I'm going to log out here, log out. Okay, you say log out, you don't care about that. Once you log out, I'm gonna go into another account. Okay, oh, I took out my keyboard. It's gonna be root. Well, I'm going to the root account. Okay, wow, yeah, it's in there. So now I'm gonna get that. Okay, let me show you on this account. That's gonna be easier. What you do, you click here, you can see that it's in default source. I'm gonna also record a small video here, then I show you that it works when select default source instead of leaving it not to net device. So I'm gonna see. I want to select this folder. The folder is taking time to open. Let me see. Okay, it opened here. You go here. Let's play this sound and see. You see that the sound does not work in this. Why? Because of the second account is not the major account, the root account. Let's delete that. Now I'm going to record. I'm going to record the one from here where we changed. Remember, we changed because it was in no audio. Put it to default. So once you put it in default, then we start record. I'm gonna say I'm recording this sample. I'm gonna record this sample. It's gonna start soon. Yeah, hello 1212. This is gonna start soon, and this is gonna be 4-5 seconds. I'm done. Okay, stop that. So once you stop that recording, go to your videos, and you're gonna find this. This is the file. I'm gonna play it. You're gonna hear it. I'm gonna.
Hello 1212.
Can you hear that?
And it's gonna be 4-5 seconds. I'm done. Okay, stop it. So hello 1212. This gonna start soon, and it's gonna be 4-5 seconds. I'm done.
Yeah.
Okay, stop it. So,
guys, that's the way you set up your sound. You just click there and choose default. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.